Now let's to have a look at the categories. So if we open our categories file inside of the pages and admin folder, the first thing we need to do is obviously change this URL get param here. So it's going to be this object URL get and action. We can now save this file and close it. Now if we go to the categories directory, open our list.php, the one thing we need to change is obviously our paging class definition. The first parameter is now this object URL, then comma, categories, and the number of records displayed per page. We can also remove this paging underscore URL. And obviously we need to remove this template with the / from the header as well as from the footer. Now we also need to amend all the links. So right to the top, starting with the obviously add a new category link. So echo this object URL get current, and what we want to remove is obviously array. We're going to remove action and possibly ID if there's any left in the URL. Then then obviously we need to concatenate this with / action, and this equal sign also is replaced with the /, then semicolon and closing obviously PHP tag. Now if we copy this get object get current and scroll down to our remove and edit links, we have obviously remove ID, so I'm going to do it like this, paste it here, and then what we're going to go for is again array action and ID concatenated with action / ID, then /, and we concatenated this with the category ID. Now copy the entire thing, paste it for the edit link. If we paste it here and just action, we've forgotten the action. Obviously action here is remove / ID then, and then action here will be edit / ID, and obviously category ID. Now if we save the file, go back to our browser to make sure that everything works fine. If we go to categories, if we click on add new category, it's obviously taking us to the right page, so that's all good. If we click on edit, obviously we're gonna get some errors, but let's check. Obviously the URL is fine, so we have action edit ID 3. The same for the remove one. If we click on remove, again we have action remove and ID 3. So all these links have been updated. Okay, and we're ready to move to the next video.